Hashtag short, guys. 2012 Caravan, no start. Actually, the battery dead, just spins over. They think the fuel pump is bad. So I got my jump box on. Let's see what we can get cracking out of this thing. All right. Uh-oh. They're spinning over, guys. Now I'm going to show y'all a trick. All right. That do sound like it's going to time out. Yeah, it times out. That do sound like fuel pressure is lost. So I'm going to show y'all the trick. The relay that goes to, or the fuse that goes to the fuel pump. I'm finna send 12 volts straight to this fuse and see what happens. Hold tight. All right, guys, so I got a wire stab right here in the M20 fuse. All right, I'm about to send this. Yeah, you can see it sparking. That means power is actually going down there to the fuel pump. What I'm trying to do is get the fuel pump to run. So I'm gonna find a way to make that stay. All right, let's go try it now. There you go. All right, it's running, guys. I'll explain what I did in a full video. Okay, this is a hashtag short video. I essentially just manually put 12 volts to the fuel pump so I can get it to run. Again, I will explain why it's not running on its own in a whole separate video. So I need y'all to stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss that video, guys. All right, hashtag short.